This is the Lian O11D MINI V2, a follow-up to the original O11D MINI, but with some major improvements. It comes in at 45.38 litres, about 2 litres larger than the original, which means better hardware compatibility and a much more spacious build experience, but more on that soon. Disassembly is super easy, thanks to its mostly toolless design. Loosen a few thumb screws and the top and side panels come right off, revealing a fully open interior that's a dream to build in. You get multiple cable grommets to keep your build clean, and Lian includes a handy container with spare screws, clips and rubber mounts, something I've seen more vendors adopting lately. It supports full-size ATX motherboards while still having decent cooling compatibility, and there's even an adjustable GPU sag bracket that shifts vertically and horizontally to suit larger cards. Cutouts on the tray support reverse connector motherboards and help with easier cable access. Even the bottom has a rubber grommet, which is great for routing USB or HDMI cables into your chassis for screens and accessories. Fan support includes 3 120mm fans in the bottom, 1 120mm in the back, and up to a 280 or 360mm AIO in the top, with 2 120mm fans in the side. And GPU clearance is excellent, even the biggest cards fit. Front I/O doesn't disappoint. There's a 3.5mm jack, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C port, and the entire I/O assembly can even be relocated to the top if you prefer that layout. At the back, removing the side panel reveals a pillar with the Lian logo that doubles as a mount for 2.5-inch drives and helps hide cables. You also get space for 2 3.5-inch drives in removable caddies, which you can also just use for cable management or remove them entirely if you prefer. And yes, the side panel bulges slightly to now support full-size ATX power supplies, something that just wasn't possible with the original O11D MINI. For airflow, Lian recommends using the side and bottom for intake, and the top and rear for exhaust for optimal airflow and cooling performance. And there's even mesh dust filters that are included throughout. The O11D MINI V2 starts at $89.99 without fans, while the Flow version with 5 black reverse fans goes for $99.99. I'll drop links in the description once it's available. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, or smash subscribe to help me reach my first 1,000 followers. Now let's wrap up with some B-roll.